Today's video is going to be about how to spot, buy, and sell on OKX Exchange. Another well-known exchange, another popular exchange that every crypto trader knows about, every crypto trader has at least used once, and it's pretty well known, has a lot of volume, has pretty much a good amount of coins as well, and really well established as well. So security is really nice, and everything about this crypto exchange is really, really good. So, first things first, open a browser of your choice and head over to okx.com, and you should be landing on a page that looks like this. Front page, nothing really going on here, just about OKX and what it really is. So that's that. And the next thing you have to do is make an account with OKX or sign up or sign in. Once you're done that, so yeah, for when you're making account, make sure to do your two-factor authentication and as well as your KYC verification. What When you're done this is going to allow you to access all of OKX features, which may be restricted if you haven't done these verifications. So once done that, I'm assuming you guys have done that. You're already here, and obviously when we're trading spot and we're in spot buying and selling, we need to have crypto, of course. So deposit some crypto, whatever you want to deposit to your liking, that's fine. It doesn't matter which crypto is it, just deposit something if you guys want to trade on OKX. So you have made an account, you have deposited crypto, and now you're like, you have to trade, right? So this is your page, front page, and in order to trade, you hover over the trade tab and you click on spot. We're not doing futures any other like options or anything like complicated today. Just simple spot, buy and sell. So you're gonna click on spot, and then it's gonna take us to the charts, order book, order history, and all those like important things. So as a beginner, it may look overwhelming, but all centralized exchanges are the same. They all share like the same layout and like all the basics, right? So really, in order to spot trade here, buy and sell, uh, nothing really needs to be done, right? Like spot is already selected. You're here. You have your order book and history. So first things first, select your token, right? In our case, we're going to be taking Bitcoin as always. And Bitcoin selected, we know our pair selected Bitcoin USDT 15 minute on the OKX exchange. So that's selected, that's perfect. And now we are going to go a little bit down and we're going to see trade. Now on other exchanges, you're going to see spot more commonly, but here on OKX, it's going to be trade. So don't confuse it. It's still spot. We have selected spot. We know it's spot. So that is selected, and limit order is not what we're going to be selecting. We're going to be selecting market. Now there's a reason we don't do limit orders, although you can. All limit orders does is that it's going to buy at a certain price and a sell at a certain price. So if you have like if you already have knowledge about crypto, when to buy, when to sell, then you can put up your limit orders, buy and sell, and it's going to do that for you. But in our case, we want to instantly buy and instantly sell right now. So that's going to be market. So we're going to be, so make sure trade selected and market is selected. So it's going to say place order at market price. What it means is whatever the market price is right now, it's going to buy for you. And then whenever you want to sell, it's going to sell at that market price. So make sure you have USDT. You can put in the number, maybe whatever that's going to be, or you could use the slider to like put in the amount of USDT you want to buy, and then it says login sign up, and you have logged in, is going to tell you to buy. So you could buy, it should instantly fill your order, and you could go down in order history and it's going to show everything about that transaction. For selling, nothing different. So we bought Bitcoin with USDT. So now we're gonna just sell our Bitcoin for USDT. So Bitcoin's already selected. You're gonna put in the amount of Bitcoin you have. Use the slider to make portions of it if you want to sell all of it or just half of it, whatever it's gonna be. Put in the amount and just sell Bitcoin. Go down to order history and verify that the transaction has been made. So that is it really for OKX. You have a lot of coins here. You could trade with that. And spot buy, spot sell is not complicated at all. Just really simple, really straightforward. So that is really it for this video, and hope it helps, and I'll see you guys in the next one.